Singer Equipment was founded in 1918 by my grandfather. Being family-owned and operated is critical to helping develop the right culture and value system. It's a service-driven culture with people who always focus on doing the right thing for the customer in the interest of a long-term relationship. The other thing that makes us stand out is our capabilities. With coverage up and down the East Coast from a distribution standpoint and resupply, with the ability to provide work nationally for our customers, we have people that we can bring to customer challenges that can create solutions that no one else can. And when you couple that with a service-minded and responsive and accountable culture, you get the ability to do great things for customers.
So design build is a big aspect at Singer Equipment Company. What we mean by design build is we spend a lot of time with clients researching their dream of their kitchen or the place that they want to open. And so from that, art designers will get together with the client, build out the space. We work closely with architects and construction managers and general contractors. And from that, we built a number of teams that are specialized to work in every segment of the market. Those teams include estimators, designers, CAD personnel, project managers, account managers, and they're tailored to meet the needs of the client. We also work with all of the trades out in the field and provide extreme coordination to make sure that the project comes off the way the intention was built by the architect and the owner.
Distribution is handling all of our customers and our partners' needs. Everything from resupply equipment, disposable products, kitchen smallwares, and tabletop, with over 12,000 different products stocked in one of our 2 distribution points, plus our access to a lot of other great products our customers use on a day-to-day basis. We really feel like we have a great solution for them on many fronts. And really, it's about partnering with these customers, having honest conversations, recognizing what the needs are, and then providing those solutions. We partner with our manufacturing rep partner groups, our internal specialist teams, and really utilize our team resources to find all those answers.
One of the advantages to being a bigger company is that we have specialists in each customer segment. And I think that's really important because each sector has different needs, different requirements, different products, and are looking for experts to come alongside them and help them manage their business, anticipate problems, bring solutions. And we have one of the largest trained teams in the business. We bring all those specialty skills along with scale and along with personalization to help meet the needs of large, complex customers. That's something that you can only get in a privately held company and a company with established values, with a deep and supportive culture that has continued for over 100 years.